Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iman Daniel. My matrix number is 14DTP20F1043. Today I want to talk about manufacturing process in welding. Introduction. Welding is fabrication process whereby two or more parts are fused together by means of heat, pressure, or both forming a joint as the parts cool. Welding is usually used on metal and thermoplastic, but can also be used on wood. The complete welded joint may be referred to as a weldment. Type of welding. First, MIG, gas metal arc welding, GMAW. MIG welding is used in the auto industry for repairing vehicle exhaust and is also used in creating homes and buildings. It is one of the most common types of welding. This is a type of arc welding that uses a continuous wire called an electrode. Second, TIG, gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW. TIG welding also use electric arc like MIG. When working with TIG welding, you use an electrode made of tungsten. Tungsten is one of the tough metal material. It will not dissolve or burn off. 3. Stick, shielded metal arc welding, SMAW. Want to take your welding to go? One big positive about stick welding is that it's portable. Stick welding is used in construction, maintenance, and repair, underwater pipeline, and industrial fabrication. 4. Flux cored arc welding, FCAW. Flux cored arc welding is similar to MIG welding because both use continuous wire and power supply. You will combine a continuous electrode with a base metal. The electrode is a hollow tube filled with flux and it's fed through the weld gun and into the weld pool. 5 basic type of welding joints. The first is butt joint, second is third joint, third is corner joint, lap joint, and edge joint. Advantages. First, weld joint has high strength, sometimes more than the parent metal. Second, different material can be welded. Third, welding can be performed any place. No need enough clearance. Fourth, they give smooth appearance and simplicity in design. 5. They can be done in any shape and any direction. 6. It can be automated. 7. Provide a complete right joint, rigid joint. 8. Addition and modification of existing structure are easy. The disadvantages is members may become distorted due to uneven heating and cooling during welding. They are permanent joint. To dismantle, we have to break the weld. Third, high initial investment, and the last is inspection is difficult. Safety equipment. The first is welding helmets. Second, eyes and face protection. Third, safety glasses. Fourth, gloves. 5, welding jackets, and 6 is safety boot. That's all from me. Thank you.